Hi, I'm Willie with H5 Technology. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So I want to talk about this a little bit and what it is. If you heard anything today about the defense spending bill that's out there, it's got John McCain's name on it. You will know that there are several Chinese technology firms that they've floated around over the last couple of months about being banned by use from the federal government, and then that will trickle down into other sectors. It will have a huge ripple effect. So back in May, I heard about it, and this IPVM, it's you can join this, and it's for people who do IP video security, and I think there's a little lobbying going on with them. So back when this first came out, May 24th, I had a security vendor let me know, hey, look, Dahua and Hikvision are going to be banned. And at that time, I could not, when this exact page right here came out, I went to the bill. I could not find the language in the bill. So I went back to that security vendor and I said, hey, I can't find the name Dahua or Hikvision in, it dealt with ZTE and Hawaii. And so I said, point me, to the place in the bill. Well, it was crickets. Nothing. Well, something must have been in the works, because then someone else that I know posted on Facebook today that Congress passed the bill, right? So it is happening. And so I said, hey, can you please post a link to the bill? So here's the bill. And if we do a Control F and we type in Dahua, it should come up with two. I did this earlier today. It came up with two spots in the document where Dahua and Hikvision were both mentioned. So when like I said, I looked at this earlier today, and there's a lot of pages. There's 1,360 pages. I don't know honestly, how the politicians read this stuff and digest it and have enough time to vote on it. Maybe this is why things can sometimes move slowly. I think it takes me an entire year to pump out 1,360 pages worth of reports. So, but it apparently is in here. Now, I did find it earlier, but I'm kind of like wondering why I can't find it now. Now that we're recording the video. Let me pause it and we'll see if we can find it real quick. Alright, so lesson learned. Chrome is a shitty PDF viewer. I opened this in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Did my Control F, put in Hikvision, and there it is. So for the purpose of public safety, security of government facilities, physical security, surveillance of critical infrastructure, and other national security purposes, video surveillance and telecommunications equipment produced by Hytera Communications Corporation, Hikvision, or Dahua. So the other problem that this brings up is that those keywords. So there's some keywords in this bill that we need to look at, and it's produced, right? Video surveillance and telecommunications equipment produced. And the reason that that's so important is because they OEM for a bunch of companies. So let me pull up that list real quick. Alright, so if you have Hikvision cameras, these are all of the brands that they OEM for. Honeywell, Dunlop. I mean, look at the names on this list. There are a lot of companies that they OEM for. So these installations are going to be huge. And Dahua bought FLIR, sold off Lorex to Dahua not that long ago, just in February of this year. And so yeah, so this IPVM, they want me to now pay to pull up the. Okay, here's the Dahua OEM. So there's FLIR, Lorex, ADT. Who else? Panasonic, So I mean, this is kind of a big deal. So, and I have a feeling, just like the Kaspersky thing filtered down to local government, I think that this is probably going to filter down to local government too, and anybody who's dealing with local government, dealing with government, should be paying attention to this. So I'm going to leave a link to the full bill down below, and I'll leave a link to, actually, you know what? I'm not going to leave a link to IPVM. You can go out there if you want, but I'm not going to pay to read the stories and all that. And a quick Google search, you know, will pull up a lot of this information for you. But if you run into Dahua, if you're running Hikvision, be aware that this is out there. There's no doubt this will have a ripple effect. Just the government contract part of it at the federal level, that's going to hurt. So it kind of is what it is at the moment. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please comment and share. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to talk to us on Discord, the link's down there. Hop on over, say hi, ask your questions. If you want to purchase anything that you've seen us use here on the channel, that Amazon affiliate link is down there. As always, I do appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video.